What we're going to talk about today is the at-home IV drip system that they have. This one's made by Easy Pump, and all the opinions are my own. What I have here is the IV that they use for home injecting yourself. It's called an Easy Pump, and these I think sell empty like $20 or so. This is how they fill it. It's right here. This top opens up. You put the medicine in here to fill the ball. This one's full on here. This is a big ball. This is 100 mil an hour ball. So it's down here. And the way that I think it works, which I don't know, you have a bladder inside that's filled with the liquid. This bladder outside, which isn't full completely, is just holds it there so it doesn't get any bigger than that. There's no pressure in that at all. So out of curiosity, I'm going to poke a hole in it. Okay, here's the outer side right here. As you can tell, got a hole, no pressure. This one in here is tight, extremely tight to be exact, that bag. So that's where the medicine's located. So this is like a protection bag. Next, the output's here, which everybody knows. It goes through here. This is a flow control, is what I assume. All of these are my guesstimations, considering I don't know for sure, 100%. This is a flow gauge here to let so much liquid to come out here. Also, it catches air just in case it has some air that does come out. It's supposed to get caught in here and clogged. This is the output that you unscrew. Now we're going to unscrew it. And they have this valve that you undo. As soon as you do that, the liquid should start coming out. As you can see, there's your flow, the drip. I'm on my outside porch to do this, by the way. So there's your drip. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to this flow gauge right here. I don't know how much comes out or not, but we're going to cut this. And it probably would be a nice stream. Yeah, there you are. There's the flow gauge. As you can see, it's got a nice little stream that comes out. Okay, I turned off the valve here. So that's what controls the drip, and hopefully get any remaining air out of it is inside of this. So that means this ball has lots of pressure in it, and here still. And that's what keeps it pressurized. Now inside the tube, in the middle here, I'm not absolutely sure exactly what's in that PVC pipe, because we know from the lid where they fill it, there's got to be a check valve and other things in there. So I'm not sure. So they only got the one bag here that holds the liquid, that pushes in, that goes in the middle, you know, and the liquid goes in the middle of that pipe and then out the end. I'm not absolutely sure, except it seems like there's a lot of pressure here. And so here we go. We're going to do it.
Oh shit.
Well, quite a bit of pressure. A lot of antibiotics. At least we're going to kill the bacteria that's on the porch here. Okay, that's how this is constructed. Because on that, Let's see. Never opened one of these before, so this is new. Yeah, here's the internal bag. You can see exactly, you know, when I popped it, it popped. And this is more stretchy. This is stiffer. So when this stretches and hits this bag, it can't fill anymore. In the pipe itself, it's got a split, as you can see right here. I assume that's where the liquid comes out into the bag and then pushes back in. This probably inside here is a filter. I have no clue what's in there yet. And I know it's glued, so I don't know how much pain to get it off, if I can or not, real fast. Should have got a used one. Opened it up. But oh well. This is the first day that I felt like doing anything like this after months. I don't know. I assume it's glued or screwed or something on here. I can't get it. But that's what it looks like. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. When you get a chance, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would help us out. Thank you.